Good morning to all of you. Today we'll study about the spectroscopy. I have made one video regarding MCQs of spectroscopy. The first MCQ is an spectroscopy deals with the study of interaction of matter with. The answer is electromagnetic radiation. It is in definition of spectroscopy. Second MCQ, which of the following spectroscopic technique is useful for determination of unsaturation? The answer is UV spectroscopy. The effect by virtue of which wavelength increases is called as dash effect. The answer is bathochromic effect. Bathochromic effect in which lambda max increases, and in hypsochromic effect the lambda max is decreases. Here the lambda max increases, the answer is bathochromic effect. Fourth one, dash effect is also known as blue shift. The answer is hypso, HYPSO, hypsochromic effect. Fifth one, select odd one. Here the OH, B, NH2, C, NO2 and D, SH. See here the OH, NH2 and SH. These three are the groups, the function groups which doesn't contain the unsaturation. Hence these are the exochromes. Now finally here NO2 is an unsaturated group which is a chromophore. Hence it is different. And that is the odd one. Hence answer is C. Sixth one, base value for homoenlardyne is, as we know that base value for homoenlardyne is a 253 nanometer. 7. According to Lambert's-Beer's law, absorption in EV is directly proportional to. It is a combined law in which absorption is directly proportional to concentration of solution as well as path length. Hence the answer is D, both A and B. 8. Choose the correct statement. The four statements are base value of heteroenlardyne is 253 nanometer, which is wrong since this is 253 nanometer is the base value for homoenlardyne. Chromophoric group itself produces color. It is correct one. NO2 and CH2 are exochromes, wrong since these two are the chromophores. EV region is from 200 to 1200 nanometer is wrong. Actually it is 200 to 800 nanometer. Hence the correct answer is chromophoric group itself produces color. That is the B is the correct answer. Ninth one, electromagnetic spectrum is an, as we know that either it is arranged according to decreasing order of energy of electromagnetic radiation or increasing order of lambda max. Here see first option, arrangement of electromagnetic radiation with a decreasing order of energy, which is the correct one. Arrangement of electromagnetic radiation with increasing order of wavelength, which is also correct one. C, arrangement of EMR with a decreasing order of wavelength, which is wrong. Hence the correct answer A and B both are correct. Hence D is the correct one. 10th, distance between two successive crests or trough is known as. It is a definition of a wavelength. Distance between two successive crests or two successive trough is an wavelength. Wavelength is exactly inverse of wave number. Next, choose incorrect one. As we know that four types of transitions here, sigma to sigma star, n to sigma star, n to pi star is possible and D is not possible, that is sigma to n star. It is wrong or incorrect. 13. Dash is highest energy electronic transition. As we know that out of two transitions, sigma to sigma star transition is an highest energy electronic transition. Hence the correct answer is A1. 14. Which of the following transition is of highest wavelength? As we know that energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. Hence the n to pi star having lowest energy while the highest wavelength. The C is the correct answer. 15. Lambda max for 1,3-cyclohexadiene is 1,3-cyclohexadiene. Here it is an homoenlardyne. Hence base value 253 nanometer. And if you see the structure of 1,3-cyclohexadiene, there are two ring residues. Hence add 10 into 53, that is 253 plus 10 is equal to 263 nanometer. It is an answer. B is the correct answer. 16. IR technique is useful for determination of. IR technique is useful for determination of function group. You know, the B is the correct answer. 17. IR spectroscopy is also known as radar spectroscopy, as EV is an electronic and IR is an vibrational rotational spectroscopy. Since the IR spectroscopy is due to vibrational followed by rotational transitions, hence the C is correct answer. IR absorption depends upon strength of bond as well as reduced mass of atoms as well as arrangement of atoms, hence the D is correct answer all. 19. Which of the following has highest absorption in IR region? As we know that it is depending upon the strength of bond, one of the option. Here if you see the three here, carbon carbon single bond, carbon carbon double bond and carbon carbon triple bond, out of these three, strength of bond is higher in the carbon carbon triple bond, hence IR absorption is higher in carbon carbon triple bond containing compounds, which is the basic requirement for IR absorption. That is, if mu should be greater than 0, then it is IR active. That is, mu should not be equal to 0. 21. Why trans to butene is IR inactive? Trans to butene is IR inactive since there is symmetric stretching. Due to symmetric stretching, the dipole moment is going to be 0. That is, mu is going to be 0. Here, due to due to 0 dipole moment is the correct answer. And here it is mu is greater than 0. Here why trans to butene is IR inactive? Due to 0 dipole moment. 22. 667 per centimeter to 1500 per centimeter is known as, here the region is known as a fingerprint region. B is the correct answer. 23. Correct IR absorption for aldehyde functional group is dash dash per centimeter. As we know that aldehyde functional group having two types of IR absorption. One is in the region of 1700 per centimeter and the second one is in between 2700 to 2800 per centimeter. B is the correct answer. 24. Characteristic IR absorption for primary alcohol in fingerprint region is, in fingerprint region for primary alcohol it is an 1050 per centimeter. That is, D is the correct answer. Which of the following stretching vibrations are out of plane? Scissoring and rocking are in the plane, wagging and twisting are out of plane, hence both B and C is the correct answer. Two identical compounds can be identified in the region. Two identical compounds identified in the region of fingerprint region, that is either the two compounds are same or different, it is absolutely identified in the fingerprint region. 27. Band obtained due to transition from V0 to V1 is known as fundamental band. Okay, as a transition from V0 to V2 it is an overtone, but from V0 to V1 it is an fundamental band. Here see the next MCQ. The band obtained due to transition from V0 to V2 is known as overtone is the answer. Next, IR absorption of carbon-carbon double bond is at, answer is 1600 per centimeter. 30 2500 per centimeter to 3000 per centimeter IR absorption is for dash group. It is a broad range IR absorption for the acidic group, that is COH. 31. When the molecule is NMR active, then their I must be greater than 0. Then it is NMR active. That is B is the correct answer. How many spin states are possible for proton? And that is 2 spin states are possible for the protons. Answer B. That is alpha spin and beta spin. Next, 33. Which of the following is a more deshielded proton? Here 4. A. Acetylene, B. Aldehyde, C. Alcohol, D. Ethene. As we know that aldehyde is having the higher delta value, it means it is more deshielded. Okay. 34. The proton of dash is shielded, as your answer is acetylene, which is more shielded proton, acetylene. 35. Number of sets of proton in acetic anhydride is oblique R. Acetic anhydride is symmetric structure which having only the two similar CS3, hence only one sets of proton. Option A is correct answer. Splitting. Next, 36. Splitting pattern in ethyl bromide is ethyl bromide CS3CH2Br. Hence, there is one triplet and one quartet. The answer is triplet and quartet. B is the correct answer. Next, which of the following is the correct range of chemical shift? The chemical shift range is from 0 to 10 delta value. The D is correct answer. Identify the correct structure for the compound having molecular formula C3H6O. NMR value 6H singlet and 3.2 delta. There is only one set of proton, that is 6H. Protons are identical. It means there are two CH3 group and one carbonyl, that is acetone is the correct answer. B. Next, the distance between two adjacent peaks in a multiplet is constant and known as, the answer is an coupling constant. Don't confuse with other, that is protons constant, chemical shift. It is a coupling constant. Next, nuclear magnetic resonance involves, it involves electromagnetic radiation, interaction of electromagnetic radiation with nuclear spin. When it is placed in the applied magnetic field, it means it involves all these three: EMR, nuclear spin, as well as applied magnetic field. Hence the answer is all of these. Answer is all of these. Thank you very much.